Swadikap. Welcome to my dish channel. I'm Jim, and today we will make stir-fried pork with chili paste in oil. The story behind this, I recall that my mom used to cook it for me a long time ago, but I can't remember it, so I call her and hear what she told me. So let's find out together and see how it goes. Okay, before we start cutting, let's talk about chili paste in oil. Remember, we have two types of chili paste in oil, normal one and the one for tom yum. Today we use the normal one, the same one that we use in cashew nuts with chicken. Don't use the wrong one, it tastes different, okay? And for the veggies, right? Normally we put onions, spur pepper, and spring onion. But today, I've got bell pepper left, so we will put it in. I like the smell of bell pepper and give you more color. This one is optional, it's up to you. Okay, let's start cutting. When you're ready, start cooking. Okay, warm up the oil. Use medium. Okay, put the oil in. Around 1 tablespoon. Warm it up, right? Around 10 to 15 seconds. And then garlic first. Yep, and keep going until you get the smell. Little bit more, a little bit more. Yes. Ooh, I like the smell of the garlic. Okay, and then you put pork in. Yes, and keep going. You know you can use what whatever meat you like. Chicken, beef, it's up to you. For me, I use pork belly, with more fat. Oh, it's so yum. But if you are so afraid of getting fat, use chicken, alright? Yes. Yes. Woo. Okay, when it's nearly done, right? Start seasoning. Oyster, fish sauce, sugar. Okay, then chili paste in oil. Yes, put everything in. And a bit of water. Okay, and then keep going, keep cooking. Ooh, smells so good. Cook it well. Yes. Okay, if it's too dry, a little bit more water, bit by bit, to prevent it to be burned. Yes. Woo. Yes. It's nearly done. And then veggies in. Keep cooking. At this time, it depends on whatever you like, right? If you like it, the veggie a little bit soft, right? You cook it more. If you like it crunchy, just cook it not too long. A little bit more water. Too dry, yes. So I want to make it a little bit softer, so I will cook it more. Yes. Woo! Smells so good. Okay. And then turn the gas off. Put the rest of the spring onions in. The soft part. Yes. Cook it well. Mix it well. And then pig on the plate. Okay, let's try it. See how it goes. Cooking on the phone. Oh yeah, it's good. It's good. Oh damn, I'm good. Okay. Oh, it's so nice. Not, it looks spicy, but it's not spicy at all, right? If you want it spicy, you can put more chilies in. It's up to you. So, I think next time I will do the omelette. This one you can have it together with the omelette also. Oh, it's so nice, like a Thai omelette. Okay? Keep in touch, stay safe, and wish you were here.